Welcome to my channel Tough to Easy.
Come here. Go there. Stop talking. Close the door. Open the window. Sit down. Stand up. Listen carefully. Run fast. Look at this. Walk slowly. Wait here. Brush your teeth. Wash your hands. Take a shower. Get dressed. Make your bed. Eat your breakfast. Drink some water. Pack your bag. Lock the door. Catch the bus. Read this book. Write your name. Take notes. Finish your homework. Pay attention. Answer the question. Solve this problem. Submit your report. Clean the room. Wash the dishes. Sweep the floor. Mop the kitchen. Take out the trash. Do the laundry. Fold the clothes. Water the plants. Feed the pets. Turn off the light. Cook the rice. Boil the water. Chop the vegetables. Set the table. Serve the food. Eat slowly. Pass the salt. Taste this. Pour some juice. Clean the table. Take a left. Go straight. Stop here. Follow me. Wait for the bus. Cross the road. Drive carefully. Park the car. Get on the train. Get off here. Drink more water. Take deep breaths. Go for a run. Stretch your arms. Do some push-ups. Eat healthy food. Avoid junk food. Take your medicine. Get some rest. Sleep early. Smile more. Be kind. Help your friend. Call your parents. Say thank you. Apologies now. Give a compliment. Listen to them. Wait your turn. Share your toys. Stay focused. Try again. Calm down. Follow the rules. Bring your umbrella. Take a break. Check the time. Enjoy your day. Repeat after me. Spell the word. Say it louder. Practice daily. Read aloud. Write neatly. Memorize this. Ask a question. Explain this topic. Correct your mistake. Watch this documentary. Play that piano. Go ahead.